Hey there, today we're going to look at how you can add a domain in Vercel. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open Vercel in your browser and log into your account. Over here, once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see all your projects listed. Then take a moment to select the project where you want to add your domain. After that, once your project opens, look around for the Domains section. Then from the drop-down, click on Domains. Over here, you'll see your current domain settings. Then to add a new one, click on the Add Domain button. After that, you'll be asked to enter your custom domain name. Now type in your custom domain carefully. Over here, you can also add subdomains if needed. Then, if you're working with multiple subdomains, you can even add a wildcard domain. Now, Vercel will start linking your domain to your project. Over here, you might see some DNS instructions depending on your domain provider. Then, you'll need to go to your domain registrar and update your DNS records. After that, copy the required A record or CNAME record from Vercel. Now, paste those records into your domain provider's DNS settings. Over here, once you've added the DNS records, come back to Vercel. Then, click on Refresh to verify your domain. After that, wait a few minutes for the domain to be verified successfully. Now, once it's verified, your domain will be connected to your project. Over here, you can open your browser and test the domain to make sure everything is working properly. Then, if everything loads correctly, your domain setup is complete. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.